Convert low-quality video to 4K. Add your video in CapCut. Tap on Adjust. Tap Graphs. Copy these steps on your video. Apply these settings. Export these video. Now add your video again. Tap Overlay. Add exported video in Overlay. Adjust it on your video. Tap on Blend. Choose Burn. Adjust it to 20. Now tap Adjust. Apply these settings according to your video. Now, open Effects. Open Lens Effect. Choose Smart, Sharpen. Adjust it according your video. Apply effect to all video. Here you can see your video quality. Export it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates.